This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. Looks like this meeting of people with their cars and so forth is still ongoing. Of course, there are a lot of people out here. It is starting to rain. I'm shocked this morning wasn't half bad, but they did call for rain, and it looks like it's finally coming. So, let's get out the poor birds. It's chilly, somewhat chilly today. So I'm going to throw this out. Looks like the hawk is here. Oh God, the hawk is here. He must be watching exactly what the crows are doing. Otherwise, I don't know how he could show up just as I'm getting here. Amazing, absolutely amazing. And the weather is terrible. Have some grain here to see. And actually I have some seed balls here today. I only have 2 packages left. We have some pigeons here. I think he wants to get down and land here right away and get his eggs and sausage. Our little pigeons. Oh, I forgot my camera. But I'm going to walk back to the car and get my camera and see if I can get some good footage of if Jeremy comes down. So we'll put that over here, spread it out a little bit. Here we have our crows coming. We'll put some seed balls out here. Also very good. I don't see Charlie in here. I don't see Charlie at all. Let's see here. Let's put peanuts down. Peanuts. Got some peanuts here. Okay. We got the good stuff right here. I think the crows are anxious to get down. Everybody's hungry. Everybody's hungry. We'll put this out for them, for the sparrows, and we'll let the birds go here. I forgot to bring my camera. It's in the car, but I'll get it. No Charlie. No Charlie. Okay, I'm making them nervous. I'm gonna go. They want to see my back, not my face. So we'll go down to the. They know the routine. They know I put everything down there, and then I go to the sparrows. They know this routine. Wow, the wind is really picking up. Storm's moving in. Can you hear our little sparrows here? Wow. Listen to those sparrows. Listen to that. It's pretty nice, huh? Put some more. I see they dug out all the seeds. Dug out all the good stuff. Oh. We got 2 hawks here. We got 2 hawks. There they do. Oh, they want to land. And the other pair of hawks, there seems to be a pair of hawks landing now. Maybe Jeremy has a mate. Let's see. Let's see about... Oh, is that Charlie? Is that you, Charlie? That's our Charlie. Look at that. That's our Charlie. Here, Charlie. Here, Charlie. There's Charlie. Wow, look at Charlie. Good boy, Charlie. Good boy. That's my good boy, huh? Is that my good boy? Is that my good boy? Yeah. Oh, he wants cheddar today. He only wants cheddar. There he goes. There he goes to the parking lot. Wow, what a treat. Oh, and Charlie's on the ground. And the giant seagull's on the ground. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. See that, YouTubers? We had Jeremy on the ground and the giant tagged seagull. Look at that. And the crows. And the hawk. Look at that. Is that amazing? Wow, it's hard for the crows. Wow. Okay, well, we'll throw something down here. Okay? And we'll throw something down over here. I don't want the birds getting hurt on my electrical box. They're not used to it. And we'll throw something right here. It's easier. It's easier for the birds to get to here. Okay? There we go. Now, I'm going to make my way back to the car so I can get a close-up. See a guy here. I don't know what he's up to. Came down this way and then he turned around. Yeah, better think better of it. I got my pepper spray and billy club ready in the car. So, hey, by the way, it looks like yesterday the young guy, the son of the janitor, showed up yesterday in a car with a friend. It looked like him. I can't say 100%, but it certainly looked like him. They stopped their car and near our building, and they were looking, and it looked just like him. So I was maybe 10 meters away, but to me it looked like him. So I don't know what to say. But anyway, it's scary. It's scary. Who knows? He may have wanted to show his friend, you know, what he did, or he's bragging about it, or whatever. Okay. The kid obviously has problems. I haven't pressed charges yet. I should really do that, but you know, he's just not. He's got some kind of emotional disturbance. I don't know what to say. And since his mother doesn't really care if I press charges, you know, for me that's not a good sign. That's not a good sign if you know, let your child fall by the wayside like that and don't help. Knowing they did something bad, I would broker a deal and try to help. You know, try to help the child. I wouldn't want him to have a criminal record. So for me, that's a bad sign. And that's probably why I've held off and just, you know, trying to think of an alternative, a way that he can learn about what he did was wrong without pressing charges, without doing that. So, I don't know. I guess I'm just a big softie. You know, I know I should do that, but there's something in the way he was laughing. It just didn't strike me as someone who was grounded. I don't know what to say. So I'm going to get my camera out here, and I'm going to try and get a close-up in case Jeremy comes down. Oh, we have another birdie here. Let's see what we got here. Do I have anything left? Yeah, I have something left. Oh, we have something left here. Here we go. Here we go. We put this down here. There we go. There we go. That's not Charlie. We'll put this out here. Let's see if we can get some close-up. Let's see if we can get some close-up with my little Canon. So it's only 16x, but let's see if we can get some. See if we can get some close-up. Oh, birds flew away. Birds flew away because I think this is a gun. Not good. Okay, I'm going to shut off. Can't do it. Birds saw this thing here and they flew away. No good. I think it's a whatchamacall. They didn't like me aiming that thing at them. They think that it's a whatchamacall gun, right? Yeah, I guess we still can't get through there, Papa. No.